In today's video is about wall panel design with price in India. Wall panels are one of the most popular interior design element in today's. They not only enhance the beauty of your walls but also give your home modern and luxurious and premium look. In this video we will discuss what wall panels are and types of wall panel designs and material options, room size wise we will use it, and latest trends and complete price range in India. So watch this video till end before choosing the wall panels for your home. Wall panels are important because they add to the texture and depth for walls, hide the wall imperfections, improve insulation and durability, enhance the overall interior aesthetic, increase the property value. Wall panels are widely used in living rooms, bedrooms, TV units, dining areas, and office interiors. Wooden wall panels, these are warm and elegant look, ideal for living rooms and bedrooms. The price in India 250 rupees per square feet. MDF wall panels, these are smooth finish and cost effective and versatile. The price in India 180 rupees per square feet. PVC wall panels, waterproof and low maintenance, ideal for humid areas. The price in India 120 rupees per square feet. WPC wall panels, wood plastic composite, this durable and moisture resistant. The price in India 150 rupees per square feet. 3D wall panels, these are modern and stylish and create visual depth. The price in India 300 rupees per square feet. So wall panel design by area, living room wall panels, TV unit background and future wall behind the sofa. The cost will be 250 rupees per square feet. Bedroom wall panels, headboard wall panels and soft elegant finishes. The cost in India 200 rupees per square feet. Dining area wall panels added to the luxury and warmth. The cost will be 200 rupees per square feet. Office and commercial panels, professional and sound absorbing panels, these are cost will be 300 rupees per square feet. So wall panel finish and design options. Laminate finish is a budget friendly. Veneer finish is a natural wood look. PU finish is a premium and seamless. CNC cut panels, these are decorative panels and patterns. Fitted wall panels trending in modern design. Finish cost added on 150 rupees per square feet depending on the finish. So, wall panel, some advantages and disadvantages we will know. Advantages are stylish and modern appearance, easy to customization. These are long lasting and low maintenance. Only too few disadvantages are slightly expensive than the paint, require professional installation, not suitable for all walls. So latest wall panels trend in India now. Fluted wooden wall panels, natural color tones, full height wall panels, LED integrated wall panels, texture and 3D wall panels. These are trending in India. And wall panel designs are smart and stylish solution to upgrade your home interiors. They are good to your home, premium look, better durability, and modern appeal. Before finalizing the always check material quality, budget and room suitability. If you like this video, comment your favorite wall panel design, share with your friends, subscribe for more home dented ideas.